Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. Really short video today, but really quite important. I absolutely hate bobby pins, probably like a lot of you out there. Come in here, see what I saw on the internet the other day. If you see, trying to get these things out, especially if your hands are a little bit wet or damp or even cold, obviously being outside, they're not the easiest things to do, especially on the likes of this. Getting down here, which is, as you can see, why I have the plastic zip ties on them, because that was my solution to get them off easier. But I saw on AliExpress that they're actually selling these, but let me show you. They're selling them like this. See how they're bent? And currently they're 4 times the price of flat ones, or slightly angled ones, which is absolutely bizarre. Why they're doing that, I do not know. Get yourself some of these, take that out, clip it in like so. Oops. This is Malta, so everything rusts within 30 seconds. And then, you just bend yourself, dun dun dun. Where are you? Get in. And then it's that simple. 3 seconds and it's fixed. And it's so much easier to get out. That's it. Nice, short, simple. Hope you have a great day. Stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.